So here I have another problem. This time, let me see if I can make this a little smaller so you can see all the words. We have a treasure map. Love me a treasure map. And our treasure is buried under a spot that is 30 feet from the spot marked X and 50 feet from the spot marked O. We want to find out where the treasure might be. So again, we're going to think about the radius of our circle. And here we have 10 feet in our key. So the distance between C and D on this little segment is 10 feet. We don't want 10 feet from our spot marked X, we want 30 feet. So let me move my line over here. So now I've got 20 feet. Move it back. And now I've got 30 feet. So here in my line segment, CD represents 30 feet. So I'm going to make that the radius of my circle. I'm going to put it here at X. And I'm going to go to my compass tool and draw a circle with the center at C, or the center at X. If I move my circle away for a second, you can see that there my center is at X. And my radius is going to be that 30 feet. So the treasure could be anywhere this 30-foot distance from X. So it could be this distance, anywhere in that circle from X. However, we have another parameter here, and it says it's also 50 feet from O. Oh, so we have to find 50 feet now. So I'm going to make another segment here. And I'm going to make it, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's 50 feet. There's my 50-foot diameter. Radius. I'm going to put it here at O, the spot marked O, and I'm going to draw another circle. Whoops, try not to move your drawing, Dr. Kelly. Don't move your drawing. There we go. All right, I'm going to draw another circle, this time with a radius of 50. Whoops. I need my center to be at O. So I'm going to move my, let me redraw my circle so that my center is at O, or in this case, it's at H. Same kind of thing. And again, my circle is going a little crazy here, but I'll get it. Dynamic software, not for everyone. You can also do this with a pencil and paper, by the way. But I like to use dynamic software because it helps us to see and to draw accurately what we're trying to get at. So here we have our center at O, and our distance is 50 feet. Our radius is 50 feet. So somewhere in the overlap between these two circles, so somewhere in this overlap between these two circles is where our treasure is going to be located. Did it give us an exact location? No, but it certainly narrowed down our location, right? So we're not going to look over here for it. We're not going to look over here for it. We're going to look at the place where these two circles have overlapped, that place where I've colored in there. So the intersection of our two circles. So hopefully that shows you how we can use circles to solve problems.